Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Makeup by Eyebrow, and today's video is going to be a very special one because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this tutorial, this look right here. And basically today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, and eyebrows is probably one of the most hardest parts for me because sometimes my eyebrows are definitely not twins but they're sisters. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some easy steps and tricks in order to achieve very like sleek and very like matte looking brows. And today I'm also going to be featuring this Wonder 2 Cosmetics eyebrow tattoo product, and this product is super stay, and I would like to say thank you to them for sending me these products, which was so kind of them. So today I'm going to be using their product, and I'm going to be using this in the color jet black, and as you guys can see my eyebrows are pretty snatched. Also, if you guys are new here, if you guys have seen my face for the first time, darling, or just now coming across my channel, welcome, and hit that red subscribe button in the bars down below because you're already here, so why not just go ahead and join the Rainbow Gang, darling, and we're happy to have you. So to all of you guys who are already subscribed or have been subscribed, thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I love you guys. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
The beat on the beat.